Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you all are good. I know you are all waiting for the second video of the C programming. Please subscribe, share and like our channel, that is Pandari Chaitanya channel. So this is the area to do the C or C++ programming. This is called Integrated Development Environment. So this blue screen is a integrated development environment of C programming. So now I start the program to print a single statement. Before to do the printing statement, we should include one header file, that is hash include stdio.h. So stdio.h is a header file. We need to include that header file to use the input and output statements in the program. So here this is the main function. In the main function, printf is a statement I used to print one single statement. Why? Because printf is a output statement. So in printf statement I enter hi I am Chaitanya. So close the main function. So using this program we can print hi I am Chaitanya in the output screen. Before to do that we need to compile the program, that means we need to check the errors by using Alt plus F9. So by pressing the Alt plus F9 we can check how many errors are there, how many warnings are there, but in our program there is no warnings and there is no errors. So without any doubt we can go to the run. So how to run the program? By click on the control F9, control plus F9, that means click on two keys, control plus F9, we can run the program. That means the calculation will be done by using this step, but we can't see the output. To see the output we use Alt plus F5. This is the output of that program. Hi, I am Chaitanya. This is the one statement I can print in output or console screen by using printf statement. Now again I execute the same program by click on F9. This is the second time. Two outputs are there, but I want to see only the latest or present output, but here two outputs are appeared. Now to check, I again execute this program, that is third time. Again we got three outputs. To clear the previous two outputs we use clr ser function in the main function. This clr ser function I use in main function, and now compile the program. One error will be there. What is that error? First we need to know what is the error, then read that error carefully, then we can easily solve that error. What is that error? Function clr ser should have a prototype. What is prototype? That prototype we can include, we can add to our program by using a header file like stdio.h. One more header file is there, that is conio.h header file, that is you need to include to our program for clr ser function. So now I add that function, I add that header file to our program. So hash include conio.h. After stdio.h I used to enter that header file. Hash include conio.h. Now again check for the errors by click on Alt plus F9, that is compile the program. So there now no warnings, no errors. Now we can go to run and then go to see the output. So what is the output? Hi, I am Chaitanya. Only one output is there. So we can clear the previous outputs by using the clr ser function successfully. Now I want to explain one thing, that is here up till now we use three steps to see the output. What is that? Alt F9, Control F9 and Alt F5. But we can skip the last step, Alt F5. We can see the output directly by using the Control F9 only. So how to do that? So now I explain by using HCH function, we can avoid the last step of the execution process. So how this getch function is used to do that? Getch function is actually an input statement. So using this getch function, we can read a character. To read the character at the ending of the program, the compiler again go to the console screen and wait for the another character. So that is the main reason we can use getch character for the to avoid the last step in the execution process. So we can directly see the output by using the control F9 only. So here if you check one thing, that is getch function is also need one header file, that is conio.h. Now here I check for that getch function also we can use in our program by using the #include conio.h header file only. Okay, so conio.h header file for CLRSCR, getch and many more functions are there, but in our program we use these two functions. Okay, so this is CLRSCR, getch function. These two functions we can use by using the conio.h header file only. Okay, next, execute the program. First compiling, then control F9, then we can directly see the output. So there is no last step. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. This is Pandari Chaitanya channel. Please stay tuned in our channel. Thank you.